Hello, all of my beautiful peeps. We are here to build another gaming PC. And Bob here is going to help me with that, Okay, no, he's really not, obviously. But yeah, today we are building a PC. Now, the budget for this PC was originally around $500-ish, but we did have to go around $700 just to have a good build here that is solid all the way around, as well as not putting a lot of money out there for the build, if that makes sense. I'm building this for my coworker's son for his birthday, so happy birthday to you. I'm not gonna say your name in case somehow you watched this video before the day has come. So yeah, I'm very excited to build this for him to finally get into some PC gaming, etc. Now to get started on the parts, we are starting off with 8 gigs of RAM, 2 4-gig sticks, a DDR4 RAM. Now this is by Crucial, and it's running at 2400 megahertz. Not the fastest speeds, but nonetheless it's gonna do just fine. A 500 watt PowerSpec power supply. Although this is slightly an older card, it's still very great in today's standards, especially with just 1080p gaming. This is the ASUS GeForce GTX 1650 Super Overclocked Edition. It has 4 gigs of GDDR6 memory. We have an inland 120 gigabyte SSD, just a 2.5 SATA drive. No NVMe SSDs here, but either way, this will run the system files and operating system without any problem. It'll work fast upon booting and just navigating throughout the computer, web browsing, etc. But for extra storage, we have a 1 terabyte Seagate Barracuda. This is running at 7200 RPM, which is plenty speeds for accessing games and more that you may have stored. For a motherboard, we have a B550M. Pro-VDH Wi-Fi edition. So this does have built-in Wi-Fi, as this computer will be utilizing Wi-Fi instead of Ethernet for connectivity, but nonetheless, this would do just fine for uploads and downloads. And this is an MSI motherboard. And if you did not notice already, this is a Ryzen 5 build, an AMD build. My PC is personally a Ryzen build, a Ryzen 7 3700X, and honestly, after having our AMD build, I would highly recommend most of you to have one. I understand that Intel, of course, is very great when it comes to the processors that they've been putting out. For the best bang for your buck, especially your Ryzen 5, this is the way to go. And for the PC case, we're doing a Thermaltake Versa H18TG. Now, we don't have any custom fans or I/O cooling with liquid cooling or anything like that, because again, we're not getting that fancy. But there is plenty of airflow within this case. We have the Wraith cooler that comes with the Ryzen 5's processor. So yeah, airflow shouldn't be a problem. Temps should be pretty good. Obviously, I'm going to test all of that. But without further ado, we're going to get right into this build. Now there, of course, is more room to add more RAM down the road. But again, we are starting off with dual channel, with of course, but 2 4-gig sticks to equal out to 8 gigabyte. So it's been a little minute, like literally probably a week. So I actually got 3 fans that I am installing in the build. 1 up top, but 2 here. Just stopping pretty much at the middle row. And we should have plenty of airflow to the case once this is done. Well, all right, that is the PC build. I'm actually quite jealous, to be honest, of this build in a sense, because the build that I have and primarily use for my gaming is a Cooler Master case, and there is mainly tempered glass pretty much throughout the whole case without any meshing at all. Although it could be a bit better with tweaking, the temps on this are pretty phenomenal for the games that we have ran, like Warzone and Fortnite. Both of those games are hot running games, as most of us know. I am installing this computer today, and I'm quite sure that they will be very happy using it without any doubt. I have all the parts listed in the description below if you'd like to buy some of these parts, or heck, even build this exact PC. If I could change anything from an aesthetic standpoint, I wish that, I think there possibly is a way to change the LED to a different color, but that requires some sort of modding of the case, as well as I would have gotten a fourth fan to put down here, but it's not necessary. Of course, it just looks a little bit odd with two fans and then the top fan, but from a cooling standpoint, I feel like it was better to mount one fan at the top. And obviously there's ketchup and mustard, but again, we were at a budget here. We were actually over budget from what we originally spoke about, but we were able to make things work, thankfully. But cable extensions weren't one of those things that pretty much make the cut. If you'd like to catch any of my gaming live streams, definitely be sure to follow me on my Twitch at HeyIsDJB. The link will be in the description below as well. Also be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell, be notified whenever I post. This video, huge thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys for the next video. This has been DJB. Peace out.